will be teaching you how to create a PayPal account that can send and receive money here in Nigeria, and this method can be also used in some other restricted countries, guys. And as you can see from my screen here, as you can see, I am using this PayPal account. That is to show you that this method that I'm going to teach you is working perfectly, guys. So as you can see from this PayPal account, this is a new PayPal account I opened this month, and as you can see, I have done over almost to $50 on this new account. So that is to show you that this method is working perfectly, guys. So guys, please, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below, and please tell me whatever you need or whatsoever you want me to do video about, and what you think about creating of a PayPal account, because it is very easy to create a PayPal account, but even though you create a PayPal account, there are some countries that are restricted, which Nigeria is among the countries that are restricted, Ghana, India, and some other countries. So guys, in today's video, this is what I'm going to be teaching you in today's video. I will talk about what is PayPal, and we'll also talk about why some countries are restricted from using PayPal accounts, and what are the pros and cons of PayPal. And then I will teach you how to create a new PayPal account that can allow you to send and receive money here in Nigeria and whatsoever country you are, for which PayPal restricted. So guys, first and foremost, let's talk about what is PayPal. So PayPal, it is an online financial service that allows you to pay for items using a secure internet account, and it is considered as a very secure method of sending and receiving payments online. PayPal serves as a middleman between your bank and merchants, and keeps your payment information secure. As you can see, PayPal is widely accepted, and most of the affiliate sites and also freelance sites, they accept PayPal, and they are using PayPal as their payment gateway. So it is very important for you to know what is PayPal. So guys, let's talk about why some countries are restricted from using PayPal. The journey to PayPal blockages and restriction went global in the year May 2013. PayPal only offers limited service in some countries and is available for usage in about 191 countries. For now, it has no dealings whatsoever in some other countries, many of which are in the Middle East and or Africa. So guys, these are the cons of using PayPal. The pros of these are the pros. Let me first talk about the pros of using PayPal. PayPal, number one, PayPal is easy to use. It is a very straightforward way to send money to friends and family. Number two, paying with PayPal gives you an extra level of security and fraud prevention. Guys. So if you pay for a purchase using PayPal that ends up being fraudulent, guys, PayPal can help get your money back. Maybe you send a money to a person that you want to buy a goods from, and the person refused to deliver the products or the service he wanted to render for you, and the person refused to deliver the service to you. You can just come to the PayPal and open this food and tell PayPal that, hey, this social transaction you did, it was a mistake, or the person you send the money to is yet to receive to render the service or to send you the product, and PayPal will help you within 14 business days. Sometimes it takes 27 days for them to resolve the problem. So guys, the PayPal, number three, PayPal encrypts your bank or credit card information, keeping that information very secure. Guys, all you need to do when you are using PayPal, make sure that nobody knows your password and your email, so that whenever you link your card to your PayPal, so that you will be withdrawing money directly from your PayPal account to your bank, to your local bank, whatsoever country you are. And again, guys, how's it called? Doing this, you avoid you withdraw the money at a higher rate. But if you have to send for vendors, you may get scammed by these vendors, because some of them are not legit. Some of them are how's it called? They are scammers. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are enjoying my videos, or if you are enjoying what I'm talking about. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below your opinion or your past experience with PayPal, and I will get back to you guys. So guys, and also I am an exchanger as well. I can help you if you have PayPal to sell. You can contact me and I will be of help. I will help you to exchange it. I'm an exchanger. So guys, and number 4 of our pros for using PayPal: no fees for sending money to friends, to friends and family. But if you are using a business account, PayPal will charge you for using their service. Their platform, they will charge you for doing that. But guys, when you are using a personal account, which is called personal account, or you call it FNF, which stands for friends and family. So guys, these are the cons of using PayPal. So number 1 is, while it is free to use PayPal to send money to friends and family, if you are sending money via PayPal. So, and number 2, the PayPal as part of a business transaction, you will be charged. That is what I talk about in the my points for the pros, in the 4 points of the pros. So you will be charged for using PayPal if you are using a business account. But business account is very good if you know that you are doing business online. So PayPal, number 2, PayPal as part of a business transaction. Oh, sorry, I've talked about that. So let's move on to number 3. PayPal also charges a fees, 1% fees if you want instant access to your money. A free bank transfer takes several days. Yes, sometimes if you have a new account, PayPal will take PayPal for 24 hours or 48 hours for them to, or sometimes it will take 5 days for them to send you the money into your account, or sometimes it's just 3 days, depends on the quantity if you are using a new account. But if you have done some like transaction like reach $500, this limit will be reduced, guys. And it depends the kind of card you link. Again, it depends the kind of card. So, and I will be doing another video in my subsequent videos. I will be talking about how to link a card as well. So guys, so it can only take you some day. It can only take you like 3 days, like I said before. So guys, let's move on to our point 4 of cons for using PayPal. So PayPal has a reputation for being very aggressive with account freezes, and if they decide to freeze your account, they hold your money until you can prove that you have done nothing wrong. This is very, very important for you to know. If you don't be careful when you are how is it called, when you are using PayPal, if you don't be careful with some certain things, your account will be freezed. Like if you are using PayPal, that's why I used to advise people, if you are using PayPal, don't open your PayPal account, or don't open your PayPal account in different devices. Like if you are using phone, if you want to be using phone, if you know that you spend lots of time using using your phone, it is good to be using your phone to open your PayPal account. If you spend much time on your laptop, it is very good for you to be using opening your PayPal account with your laptop, which is called PC. So guys, let's move on how to create a PayPal account. So for you to create a PayPal account, you need a unique URL, and we are going to bypass South Africa. So we are going to open a South Africa account, and don't worry, this method is going to work for you whatsoever country you are. So you copy this URL. Don't worry, I'm going to drop this URL below this video inside the description section under this particular video, guys. So let me log out here. So I've logged out. You don't have nothing to do with this again. So you paste this URL into your browser, and this is the home page. This is the IP of South Africa. So guys, when you paste this URL and something like this is not displaying, that means you are not on the right direction. So make sure that whenever you paste this URL, you see something like this on the first home page. So guys, let's get started. You will then click on sign up. Then since we are to use this account for a business purposes, so let's click on business accounts. So after that, you sign up for a free for a business account. So you enter your email here. So in this case, I want to use this particular email here. This is Training Hub 2020. So sorry for that. I opened the email newly just for the purpose of this video. So guys, sorry, I wanted to make this video very shortly, but there are something I need to talk about. That is why you need to watch this video till here. So you now come up with the password. Sorry. Make sure that you use passwords that you remember, because changing of password always it will tell their system that maybe somebody else is trying to hijack your account. So it is very good to put the password that you remember. So you now, after putting the password, you now click on continue. Then here I will advise you to enter your real name, your real information, so that this account won't get any, or if the account has any issue, you will easily recover your account. So in this case, I'm going to be using let me say Usman Lehman. So guys, so in this we have to enter our business name. So let me say Training or Cosmetic. So in this case, you must enter your business phone number. So guys, you see here, you change the country code with your own country code. So I'm in Nigeria, so I'll click on Nigeria country code, which is +234, since I am in Nigeria. So in your own case, wherever you are watching this video, you need to click here and change the country code to your own country code. So let me enter my phone number here. Let me use this phone number. So then you now come up with your address. Let me say So you now come up, since we are bypassing South Africa account, you come up with the district neighborhood. So in this case, I want you to open another tab and type into your Google South Africa district and postal codes. Type into Google search, and something like this will come up. What you do is to just click here, and you will see multiple. You scroll down. This is the street and this is the country code. But if you are not okay, so let us use this. Let's copy this. So you now come back and put in this. So in this case, let's say this is the neighborhood and district. That is Limpopo. Then this is our city, and the code will be this. Since we copy this, code ranges. So this should be our the postal code. Please guys, I hope you are following me. Please do this carefully. So the primary currency, leave it at as it is. So you now click on this check, you highlight it, make sure all the information you put is correct. So guys, and make sure that you change the country code to your country code, so that your number will be validated. So you now click on agree. So now describe your business. So now I will advise you to click on individual and so proprietary. So and you know the keyword, what is your business is all about. So in this case, my business is about cosmetic. So I will say cosmetic store. Forget about the website, it's optional, so it's not important. So you click on here. So in this case, I'm coming, please. Oh, I just received one bad email, so I know the reason. So, but this is the same. This is the same procedure you have to follow. The reason why I'm getting one email here, don't worry. Let's go. Let me use 1992. April 23. So the nationality, you change it to Nigeria. So for your identity documents, guys, you have to do this carefully, please. So you now come up with the national identity. If you have national identity, how's it called, card or any other needed here, or if you have passport, driving license, but maybe you use national identity. But if you don't have national identity, it is very easy. Just come to Google and say Nigeria national identification number, and I'm coming. What did I do? So you now click on it. Then you now click on the image, and these are you can use any of this number here. So guys, let's go. So in my own case, I will use this. So this is the national identity I want to use. Home address. So just click on this same as business address. So click on it, then you submit. So guys, this is how to create a PayPal account, as you can see. So the next thing you need to do now is to go back to your email and verify your account. So let's come to our email and we verify our account here. Confirm your email. So you now, since in your own case, you just click on confirm your email. But in this case, since I open another browser, so I will copy link address and come back to this browser I'm using. So now paste it. Then they are requesting for the password. So this is the password I use. Then you confirm. So guys, that is it. And again, the next thing I want you to do is to click on here. Click here and go to your profile settings, so that you can make your number as a primary number to avoid any issue. But if you are using how is it called, mobile phone, this is how it's going to be. So can you see? I'm coming. If you are using mobile phone, this is how it's going to be. So all you need to do is to come up right hand side here and click on these 3 lines, and you see something like this. Scroll down to where you see profile setting. So that is it. But in this case, since I'm using a PC, I'm using my laptop to do this. This is how it's going to be. Click on it. So after you click on it, you click on update number. You update and click edit. You click on edit. Then you now click on this work and make it to be mobile and click change number. So now, as you can see, it's a mobile primary. So to avoid anyhow problem from the paper. So guys, that is how to create a PayPal account. In my upcoming videos, I will also be teaching you how to link your card and confirm your card, so that you can be able to withdraw money directly to your bank account without involving any other vendor or exchanger to send your money to, because most of the vendors are scammers. they will run away with your money. So guys, if you got value from this video, please do me a favor and like this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and comment down below. Tell me what you like about this video or your past experience using paper. I would like to know so that I can make another video that will solve your problem. I would like to know the kind of problem you are facing with PayPal account, so that with your own PayPal account, so that I can create a video and talk about that. And the only way to be getting my video is by subscribing to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. There may be someone that need this solution, that is facing a lot of challenges receiving money from abroad. So guys, help your friends and family, share this video with them, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. And in my subsequent videos, I'll be talking about a lot of things here you are seeing here, and how to create a PayPal.me, how to send money, how to add your card, how to transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account. So it is very easy, and I will walk you through how to do all these, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye for now.